Hello, this is Dave from Pathfinder Models, and today we would like to run through some of the stock that we hold here at Pathfinder Models. So we hold a large amount of kits, beginners kits, which are suited for children, easy build and easy assembly. These come in the form of Hobby Boss, Airfix and Revel. Very good kits for beginners. We also stock these Meng Toon kits, which again are very easy and very simple to put together, ideal for children and beginners. And we also hold these Hobby Boss kits, again, easy assembly and more suited to people wanting to be just getting into the beginning of their hobby. Moving on, we also stock some maritime themed kits, and these again are from Tamiya, Trumpeter, ICM and Hobby Boss and Airfix. Again, very good kits to put together. We also stock vehicle kits, so we hold trucks and trailers and cars, jeeps, motorcycle kits as well. Again, these are all very good kits to put together. Again, the Tamiya kits are very highly engineered kits. And moving on, we hold a comprehensive range of Airfix kits in scales from 1/72 all the way through to 1/48. Again, Airfix, very good manufacturer, very well engineered kits also to put together. We also stock a number of aircraft kits from various other manufacturers. So we have from Heller, Hasegawa, Trumpeter, Intelri and ICM and the Hobby Boss kits. And we stock one or two specialists such as Dora Wings and Arma Hobbies. So there's plenty of subjects to choose from there. And we also stock a large amount of military themed kits. So we have tanks and vehicles in scales from 1/72, 1/76 and up to 1/35, again from manufacturers such as Tamiya, Meng, Airfix, Trumpeter, Mini Art and ICM. We also stock some large-scale kits, in this case the Border Models Avro Lancaster. Superb kit, goes together to make a very large model, but it's superbly detailed. And we also hold from manufacturers Meng and Hobby Boss. Again, these are highly detailed kits to put together. Here at Pathfinder, we also stock a large amount of products to help and assist you with your various projects, such as items like deluxe products, making shape, making waves, ideal for diorama work. We also stock the Aqua Magic, which is good for making water. And we have the likes of the Scenic Rust, again very good for making things look aged. And we stock things like Liquid Gravity for aircraft, Brush Magic and Strip Magic to help clean brushes, and paint brushes and airbrushes. We also stock a selection of thinners, both AK, Hataka and Tamiya, just to help thin down your chosen paint. We also hold a large selection of tools which will assist the hobbyist in his hobby, ranging from side cutters, plastic cutters, drills, drill bits, photo etch, bending tools, files, tweezers, and we also hold a selection of complete toolkits. And again, we also stock some specialist items which can help with your dioramas, and a large selection of glues. So we have card glue, glue and glaze for canopies, scatter grip for dioramas. We have a level contactor glues with the application pin to help more accurately provide the glue. We have rocket blaster plastic magic glues. Looks like glass for coating canopies. We also hold specialist glues, so we've got Tamiya extra thin, the full range, and we have photo etched glue, precision plastic glue. We also stock one or two railway items as well, so we have the locomotion liquid for lubrication, and we hold again specialist glues, so the glue busters, laser kit glues, and a range of rocket super glues for various applications. And again, we've got just one or two specialist tools for engraving, decal scissors, and we have toolkits and file sets. And again, we have some more specialist products to help with your dioramas. Continuing on, we hold masking fluids, decal fix a solution for application of decals onto the model. We also hold tapes in various thicknesses. So the thin tapes are for masking demarcation lines. We also hold a Tamiya general range of masking tapes, both in a refill and the applicator. And again, we have putties and epoxy resins, milliput, and we also stock masking putty. That was a bit. Here at Pathfinder, we stock Hataka paint sets, and these come in the form of lacquer orange sets for use with airbrush, and blue sets which are acrylic and are for hand brushing. There's a large range of sets available. They come in full sets to cover the entire genre that you're trying to paint. And these range from the Second World War through to post-war and modern day. We also hold various primers for priming your model before the application of paint. So these are one-shot applicators of primer. We also stock a range of good quality paintbrushes, and we also stock complete all-in-one solution packs, and these are designed to cover the entire model from its start to finish process. And so it's everything that you would require in one box rather than buying everything individually. The larger sets come with a larger range. Also comes with a booklet as well, showing you how to paint the specific subject. We also have a range of some Tamiya spray paints as well. So thank you very much for looking in here today, and please visit our website to see our full and entire range. Pathfinder Models also attend various model shows all across Scotland. So find out where your local model show is going to be and come along, pay a visit and say hi. Myself, Dave, Mark, Cameron and Fiona will be on hand with a cheery smile and to help you out with anything that you may inquire. Thank you.